Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Will. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys how you can create a correlation matrix of some data that you've got in Excel. So to actually achieve this, we need the Analysis ToolPak from Excel, which is an Excel add-in. So just go to File, and then down here to Options, into add-ins, select Go, and then you want to make sure that Analysis ToolPak or Analysis ToolPak VBA is selected. So I'm just going to select both and just hit OK. And that will load in the add-in into Excel for us. Might take a little while, but here we go. So it'll appear in Data, and it'll be over here in the Analysis tab. Okay, so once we select Data Analysis, right, we'll be presented with a bunch of different tests and methods that we'll be able to use, right? So we can do ANOVA analysis, we can look at covariance, the descriptive statistics, and a bunch of other stuff. There's also t-tests, regressions here as well. But for our purposes, we're looking at correlation. So let's select that. Cool. And now I'm just going to input my data, select the column titles as well. Okay, selected it. Labels in first row, make sure that's selected if you include your row headings. Output range, I want my output range to be around G2, and let's just hit OK. Might take a little while to run. Yeah. Here we go. Here's my correlation between my variables. I'll see you guys in the next video.